Hopefully you guys can take something from this video, because it's all about me being here to help teach the next generation, or help the current ones improve and do better in HVAC, because it'll be good for everybody. The more informed everybody is, the more money we can all make, the better we can take care of our families and take care of our customers. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one. All right, let's take a look-see here and see how our Mitsu's doing. Let's see if this coil needs cleaning. He stays pretty clean back here where I put him. Oh yeah, he looks fine. He looks fine. Doesn't require any servicing at this point. I've showed you guys this before. My Hyperheat MUZ GS24NAHZ that I have in my garage. She's a beauty. Alright, let's see if I can keep from breaking my neck here. I shouldn't be stepping up on this swiveled stool, but oh gosh, not a good idea, not a good idea. Not when you're getting old. Alright. Let's go check out and see how the filter looks on this guy. Oh shoot, you could eat off of it. Yeah. Don't run him too often. Looks good. I ain't gotta do any maintenance on him. 3 points of contact. Sweet. Alright guys, so there's no maintenance that needs to be done on my Mitsu. I was gonna probably do a video of me doing that, but instead what I'm going to do is show you some things you don't get on these other channels, okay? So what I'm going to show you is, well, let me preface this by saying that, I showed you yesterday how much money I plan on making this year and what I normally make, and I know some of you think that's inflated, that's not going to happen, but I'll tell you what, you know how you make that much money as a one-man band? Word of mouth, great reviews, and very creative advertising methods. So I do a bulk of my advertising on Facebook. I've done well with it, and it's all about making people laugh and enjoying your content, because if you can make somebody laugh, it's just like a relationship, right, with your girlfriend or your wife. If you can make them laugh, you got them, and you're not going to have any problems. They are yours. So it's all about making people laugh, and what's the word I'm looking for? Enhancing their quality of life. Because when you make somebody laugh, you're enhancing their quality of life. So let's get into. We'll start with my reviews here, and then we'll get into some of my advertisements I've done here on Facebook. And they're not for everybody, but I'm fully transparent on this channel. I want to show you guys everything that I do, so maybe you can pick and choose what may work for you in the future if you decide to open up your own business, or if you currently have a business and you want to try some new things. Maybe you're not as busy as you want to be. So let's get into the reviews. Alright guys, so Facebook reviews. So keep in mind these are just Facebook reviews. A lot of them mirror my Google reviews, of which I have many more. These are just the Facebook ones I've received. I get a lot more on Google. And they're very important, because when it's between you and another contractor, or you and 3 other contractors, people are always going to look at reviews. They want to see what people are saying about you, because if you have good things said about you, obviously you have a better chance of getting the job. And one thing you always want to do is you want to ask them once the job is complete, or if the only chance you get to talk to them is when you're halfway done or something, just stop them and go, hey, when we're done, can you give me a Facebook and a Google review, or a Yelp? Yelp I don't really like, because it's just a place for people to go and bitch. But always request reviews before you're done with the project, and if you can, try to get them to do it while you're there, because once you leave, a lot of the times they don't do it, and then you got to hound them, and they feel like you're bugging them. So reviews, very important. So I'm 96% recommended. And let me preface this by telling you, I'd be 100%, but I got into it with an electrician who was subbing on a job I was on, and he went on here and wrote something nasty, and I sent an email to Facebook to get it taken off, and they wouldn't. I said, hey, this guy is not one of my customers. He's a jerk and wanted to badmouth me. So it's 35 out of 36, I believe. And I'll go through. If I have another bad one, I'll see what that is. But I'm all about 5-star reviews. So let's, now, with all that being said, let's go through a few of these. I won't go through all of them, of course. I'll do a quick scan. I won't bug you much. And then we'll get into my my ads that I put on Facebook. And some of them are going to make you guys laugh, I'm sure. All right, so this customer, May 23rd of this year, we had a fantastic experience with this locally owned HVAC company. I'm not going to read all of it. From the moment we made the initial call, Josh was very responsive, quick to schedule an estimate. He arrived soon, personable, knowledgeable, answered all of our questions. He's professional while still maintaining that friendly local business feel. Highly recommend for anyone needing heating and cooling services. So, and then I always make sure you respond. I try to respond to all my reviews. Another one, this was my neighbor. He had some inspection stuff I went and did. It wasn't just HVAC stuff. Fixed some insulation in his crawl space. I got this all on YouTube, so most of my jobs are on YouTube, as long as they're within the last 15 months. July 6, 2024, contacted Josh about installing AC. Very responsive, informative, and professional. Got it done in a timely manner. What a blessing. And then again, I responded. Josh made the process so easy. He's super quick to respond, very informative. Glad we chose him for our project. From the quote to install, it was just over a week. Great work, great communication. All just in time for the higher temps. That was last spring. There's me in action. Again, I won't bore you with all of this. These are all 5-star reviews. Let me scroll. Let me see if I can find the bad one for you guys. And I mean, I'm totally transparent, so I have no problem showing you this. Give me a sec here. All right, guys, I searched. I couldn't find it. It doesn't show me all of them. I'm sure there's a place I can go to find them all, but anyway, most of my reviews are really good. Let's just leave it at that. And that's the most important thing when you're starting up a new business. Make sure you have good reviews, okay? Let's go into my page here, and let's go to my posts. And let's get into, we'll just start from my most recent advertisement I did, and we'll work back. Now, they used to be real goofy. I've gotten more professional as I've been longer tenured in the area, but I got some real goofy ones, and I'm going to show you. So let's start at the top here. So here's, let's get this focus more on this so you guys can see that better. So here's the last one I did. This is that that gas furnace to AC job that I did, that I converted to a heat pump. So I put my heading up there. So Seton Heating and AC is here to make your home more efficient and comfortable with many different heating and cooling solutions. Check out our most recent project that utilizes a high efficiency electric air handling unit with a matching side discharge heat pump. This replaced a very inefficient gas furnace and air conditioner that had seen better days. Call, text, or Facebook message us. We look forward to hearing from you. Name, number, contractor's license, and then I show them the before and after of the crap I pulled out and what the new stuff looked like, and the improvement there. I always have a call now button so they can hit that right away. And then you get people making crazy comments, but I get a lot of phone calls on this stuff. Here, okay, so we'll get into the previous one. Before that, I did in June. I did to advertise for air conditioners. We'll read this one here in a second. All right, so this one says, "Is your wife hot?" I know, real original, right? But people like it. We can definitely help. Air conditioners are selling like hotcakes at the moment, even though they can't be cooked on the sidewalk. Are you sick and tired of being taken advantage of by the local trades? Do you want a company that doesn't give you any BS or sales speak and will give you the cool hard facts? We are experts in giving honest and straightforward second opinions on commonly misdiagnosed HVAC system breakdowns and or straight out lies and deceitful business practices. It's happening all the time, and we have rescued many local families from some of these vultures. So, it's intriguing. with a little bit of humor mixed in. You know, I think they're good ads. And then we also do full service and installation of furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, ductless mini splits, fireplaces, water heaters, ductwork and ventilation, flying saucers. Yes, they are made out of metal as well. So again, just another little joke just to keep people chuckling a little bit. They might think I'm a little crazy. And then the same thing with my information here and my website, and then a picture of Jack cold out there in The Shining. So let's scroll way back. Let's see. Of course, I'm posting my YouTube stuff on there, but hold on a second here. I'm gonna go way back. I wish I could do it by date, but I'll just keep scrolling. I'll show you guys some funny stuff. I started out real goofy about I don't know what it was, 5 or 6 years ago. We'll get to it here in a second. Hold on. Alright guys, here's one from June 18th, 2020. I did boost this post, so I paid advertising for this, and I'm sure I got some work out of this. So this one was pretty professional, but you know, if you want to steal any of this, by all means go ahead. So here we go. We are blessed to live in such an awesome place. I woke up this morning to an amazing sunrise, crystal clear blue skies, and beautiful snow-capped mountains. Life is good. Happy Tuesday from Seton Heating and AC, contractor's number. What is HVAC? Over the years, I have been asked that question a lot. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning. What does that mean? What does that mean to you? Comfort. A lot of us step inside a building and take for granted how comfortable the surroundings are. I do it myself. But behind the scenes, there are complex mechanisms at work ensuring your comfort in extreme outdoor conditions. Efficiency. Proper HVAC systems are very effective at balancing comfort. I wrote this all myself because I didn't copy and paste anything. So, proper HVAC systems are very effective at balancing comfort while providing optimum efficiency, resulting in lower carbon footprints and keeping the air we breathe cleaner. Health. Indoor air quality is an important integration to any HVAC system, making sure the air we breathe is clean and fresh, no trapped pollutants or bacteria. Hospital-grade systems are available for your home or business. At Seton Heating and AC, we understand our unique Central Oregon climate and what is necessary to ensure your comfort, efficiency, and health. We have HVAC systems to fit every type, structure, and budget, so shoot us a call, text, or Facebook message. 24/7 service available. Me, owner, operator, phone number, and then a picture of my old business card there. So let's find a funny one for you. All right, guys, I'm just working my way up my timeline here. This isn't the funny thing I was going to show you, but I like to go through. I think I posted this back in this was back in 2020, July of 2020. So 8 simple rules for being your HVAC contractor. I won't read the whole thing, but let me just do some cliff notes here. We really love what we do. We do not consider we do a job. We are lucky to perform a job that is an extension of our childhood creativity. We wake up every day enthusiastic and excited about the work we perform and the people we help. We always treat you as if you're family, treat you if it's our own home. We'll always install the proper equipment with the proper startup processes. We always offer 2-year warranty on labor, although state law only requires 1. We're always open to flexibility in the quoting proposal process. We appreciate the opportunity to compare apples to apples, or in some cases, apples to oranges, to ensure you are getting 100% your money's worth with your purchase. If you do choose us to install your new heating and cooling system, we will show up clean, professional. We will wear protective equipment. We always lay down drop cloths. Upon completion of the project, we will file all the necessary warranty paperwork and help out with any additional rebates that apply. In closing, we very graciously accept this opportunity to work with you and appreciate each and every customer or potential customer. So that might be something I start handing out again, because I think there's some intriguing things there, and feel free to screenshot this if you want and steal whatever you want out of it. But I think it's very important that we talk to customers like people, not like somebody that's going to somebody that you're trying to get money from. You know, they're not just a cash cow for you. They are your friend, and you got treated as such. And I think that things like this really let people know that you're grounded and you really mean what you're going to do. So let me find something funny. All right, here's one from January of 2021. Been a while since I advertised, so here we go. Lift off. Name, contract. Heat pumps, AC, ductless, gas and electric, and propane furnaces, duct systems, gas lines, water heaters. Poor relationship advice. In all seriousness, you want an honest and hardworking company who goes the extra mile. Call, text, or Facebook message us today. You won't get Beaver and Butthead coming in to hack your stuff in. We'll take our time, make sure you get what you pay for. Look forward to hearing from you. I think people appreciate that. I really do. So yeah, let's find something a little more edgy. All right, now this was May of 2021, so this probably humor's probably not for everybody, and it'll probably turn off some people, but somebody, my type of customer, it'll make laugh. Air conditioning season is here. If your husband's wife beater is sticking, we can help. If he mouths off, you are on your own. We can't help his attitude, but we can sure as heck get his shirt unsticky. Name, contractors. Call, text, or Facebook message us today, tomorrow, whenever you feel that maybe he just doesn't look that good anymore in a wet t-shirt. I didn't mean to say anymore again. It is your call. We also install high quality, blah, blah, blah. And then I said GPS in your husband's vehicle so you can finally learn to trust. Joking about the last one, but I do know how. All right. Let's go to another one. We'll do one more, and then I'll let you guys go for the day. This is kind of fun on Labor Day. All right, I got to squeeze this one in here because I like it too. So it says AC, cold AC. Have I got your attention yet? This was back in May of 2023. I got my wife some AC a while back, and she said it was the best thing she has had since Wonder Bread. So now I'm second rate, I guess. But it's not like we can start calling the company Moldy Wheat Heating and Cooling, can we? Oh God, that was a bad one. Probably alcohol involved. Summer is almost here. Call Seaton Heating and AC to get ahead of what is supposed to be a hotter than normal summer season. 28 plus years of experience, 17 plus years in the business, 45 plus years of being alive. I know. Time to stop the clock. Phone numbers, contractor's license. Do you need the best HVAC services on this glorious side of Oregon? Here to work hard and diligently to ensure you are nice and comfortable this summer and for this next winter. Picture of a heat pump I installed, and then a picture of some Wonder Bread. Let's do one more and we'll get out of here. Alright guys, I couldn't find any of the funnier ones, but they're on there, and you guys can search my business on Facebook. You can search my name, or you can search my business, and you'll find some very creative and funny advertisements. So I'm a firm believer that the combination of creative advertising and 5-star reviews, whether it be on your website, whether it be on Facebook, whether it be on Google, or wherever, make sure that you keep everything 5 stars. Keep the word out that you don't mess around. You do what you say you're going to do, and at a fair, honest price. And you're professional with it, but you also like to have fun and have a good time too, and make people laugh. And I think if you do that, if you can make people laugh, and separate yourself from the other guys, and show them that you're the real deal. I know I said it 5 times already, but show them that you are the real deal, and you'll be there when they need you, not only during the initial contact, but in the future. So hope you guys got something out of this. I like showing my reviews. I like showing some of my advertisements, some of the things that I've tried over the years. I'm not just making this stuff up. I've been in HVAC now. I will start my 32nd year in HVAC in October. So I kind of know what I'm doing. If I didn't, I probably wouldn't still be doing HVAC. So hopefully you guys can take something from this video, because it's all about me being here to help teach the next generation, or help the current ones improve and do better in HVAC, because it'll be good for everybody. The more informed everybody is, the more money we can all make, the better we can take care of our families and take care of our customers. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.